Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how can you Viber backup. So that means you have to back up the photos or the chats or anything when you reinstall your Viber in a device. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so don't you worry about anything. If you have any query, just let me know in the comment section down right away. So let's get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Viber and then go to more on your bottom right corner and then go to settings. Over here, just go to the top option, which is account. Just go over there and go to Viber backup from here. So over here you'll be having options which says auto backup. Just go over here, you can turn it in daily, monthly or weekly, anything, and include photos, or you can take anything and you can back up now from here. You just press and it will back up like this. It will load and then backup complete. So that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.